Hey, hi everyone, I'm Shaw. Welcome to UIPath RPA tutorial. Before talking about what is robotic process automation and also talking about what is UIPath, it's better to see a use case which makes you understand what RPA can do. Then you decide whether to go with this course or to learn robotic process automation. So this demo gives you an knowledge about how RPA is important in our day-to-day activities, especially in an organization. So let's go ahead and see this example. I have a use case where I have thousands of invoices generated in PDF format. So those invoices looks like this. So the invoice has a invoice ID and it has the vendor and from which company and the due date and the date when the invoice is generated and all the amount details along with the item details, item quantity, rate, amount, tax and the total. So I want to take this kind of information from thousands of PDFs into a single Excel or to a database. So my Excel looks like this. So my Excel has invoice information ranging from invoice number to the due date along with the tax and total amount and item information. So to copy and do this thing manually from thousands of PDFs into this Excel takes a lot of time. Even with the help of other ways of approach like Python to write the code and to maintain the code, it takes a lot of time. With RPA tools like UIPath, you can do this task in just few hours and get the outcomes within few hours. And how the code looks is just like a flow sequence where you say drag the activities like reading the PDF and writing into Excel, which is very easy. So here is this program which I have written for this invoice automation just in an hour, and then I'm running this. So you see what happens. So this is reading all the PDFs from that directory and inputting that directly into an Excel, single Excel. So this is how RPA works. It reduces the time for doing things and it reduces the time to execute things, which is a win-win situation for an individual or to an organization. So this case will give how to use RPA, where to use RPA and what is the importance of learning and using RPA. In the next sessions, you will be learning much more about details of what is RPA, what is UiPath and much more. Hope you like this course. Let's get started with the journey of robotic process automation.